Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Certificate of Limited Liability Partnership LP-1-1.0. This form is required in forming a limited liability partnership in the state of Connecticut. If you're forming a general partnership, a different form is required. The Office of the Secretary of State cannot help you fill out this form. If you need help, you need to consult with an attorney. Step 1. Provide the name and address for the filing party at the top of this form. The confirmation from the Secretary of State is sent to this address. Step 2. Provide the name of the limited liability partnership in Part 1. Make sure the name of the LLP has a designation as required by Connecticut law. Step 3. Provide the limited liability partnership's principal office address in Part 2. Provide the street address, city, state, and zip code. Do not abbreviate the city. Step 4. Part 3 is required if the LLP's principal office location is not in the state of Connecticut. If Part 3 is required, provide the name of the statutory agent along with their business address and residential address. Provide the street address, city, state, and zip code for each address. Step 5. If you completed Part 3, the statutory agent needs to provide their signature in the box below Part 3. Make sure they print their name as well. Step 6. Provide the type of business conducted by the limited liability partnership in Part 4. If there are any other necessary provisions, include these in Part 5. Step 7. The signatory needs to print their name, provide their title, and sign their name at the bottom of this form. The date of execution is also required above the signature. Provide the day, month, and year. Step 8. Provide a filing fee of $120 to this form. Make the check payable to the Secretary of State. You can find the mailing address or delivery address of the Secretary of State at the top of this form.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.